scratching the surface. This obsession of mine is fueling the furnace. I'm up all night and we're intertwined. Darling, you and I, and my heart beats cold under your control. Just levels
Alrighty guys, welcome back to another video. And today guys, for those of you who are on my channel, for those of you who are following the journey, I need your advice or opinion on something. So here is the question: do I upgrade first a drop suspension, or aka coilover system, for the Abarth 595 Turismo, lower the car? I'm gonna have to get spacers as well. Do I do that mod first, or do you guys want to see basically the kit, the body kit done for the Abarth, where the front lip, the side skirts, and the rear, I don't even know what you call those pieces, but you know those rear pieces that go on the bottom of the car to make it look lower and a bit more meaty? I can do one or the other. I'm going to leave the choice and the decision in your guys' hands, and I need to hear in the comments down below what you guys want to see next being done to the car. And I'm going to document the entire process, the entire journey, as you guys know, as I do for anything else I've done on this car. So let me know down below what you guys want to see first. Alrighty guys, so the conundrum is, do I want to lower the car? Something I've actually wanted to do for a long time. Do I lower the vehicle first with coilovers, some spacers? It will sit a lot nicer on the road. Then again, you've also got the cons of the car actually being a much harder drive. So yes, but then again, we don't do these mods for luxury comfort, do we? Let's just be realistic. So do I do that, or do I do that guys, or do I go for the body kit first, which will probably give the car a whole different look anyways? It'll probably make the car appear lower to the road. So what do you guys think? This is the thing, I've wanted to do both. I don't know if I will get away with doing both, because imagine lowering the car physically and then sticking on a body kit. Your then clearance from the ground has gone from not just lowering it, but also then the extra lower parts of having the body kit stuck on the car. So, and we all know in these English roads, they are not the best. So I want to hear from you guys. Please comment down below what you want to see next. Okay guys, we're about to do some town driving, so the windows are coming down so we can hear the turbo and the crisp air, we can hear the exhaust. You guys would have seen that video I posted over the weekend or on Sunday of me literally just driving around the car park. I was having a blast. It's always nice to see what your car sounds like from the outside perspective. So yeah, and I know many people who are looking to buy a Abarth will probably be searching for that exact sort of thing. Something I was looking for when I was looking to buy my Abarth. I wanted to get like the most, this is the thing though, isn't it? When you want to buy a vehicle, you want to know everything you can about that vehicle before you buy it. So you want to know how they sound or what they can sound like. Anyways, I'm going to stop talking so you guys can hear this thing. It's freezing. Forget how loud this thing is. I don't drive it hard all the time. We're going to do another gear too. Get a catback system, folks. Toyo exhausts, they should be sponsoring me. I'm just saying, I mean, the amount of recommendations I've given to them over the last year has been remarkable. Some people look so grumpy, man. Jeez. There is much more to laugh, guys. Much more to laugh. I love the sound of this car. I also want to do stage 1. Well, it's not really a stage. I also want to do stage 2 performance. I want to do stage 3 performance. I want to do so many things to this car, guys. Just because they're such fun cars to mod and easy compared to other vehicles. Guys, if you've ever listened and watched my videos, please do it with earphones in. It'll bring a completely different experience. Smiles per miles, guys. Smiles per miles. That's what matters. It's not about driving the bougiest, most expensive, bankrupting vehicle for status, which a lot of people do. It's about driving something you enjoy driving. If this car breaks today or the clutch goes, I know I'm not going to be in for thousands and thousands of pounds. It'll be expensive, of course, but it's all relative to the individual. But you know what I mean? Like, they're just easy cars, man. And if you look after it like any car in the world, if you look after it, like it will pay its rent back to you, so to speak. Like any vehicle, really. Oh, it's a standoff at a roundabout. Who's gonna go first? Oh. Oh, it's another roundabout. Thank you. Excuse me. Alrighty, guys, are you ready for an absolutely monstrous cold start? Here we go. Listen up. Let's go take a look. You know what's so nice and OEM on the cars, those badges like the 595 Turismo. Even just the writing of the Turismo looks Italian. If you could ever find any writing in Italian, that Turismo just looks so Italian. That's something I love about these cars, guys. Everybody gives the Italians flack, but they make very good cars. Of course, there's going to be some cars that are built that are not, you know, just the same standard. But this Abarth 595 and these Abarths in general, well done to the guys from Scorpion, aka Abarth, who put the packages on these cars. Absolutely awesome. Stay tuned, let's go. And guys, another thing I wanted to mention, that I have ordered myself a GoPro. I have ordered myself a whole new setup of equipment for filming. It is going to be absolutely sick, and I cannot wait. For those of you who have been watching this from day one, you guys are going to be so relieved to have some more higher quality content coming through. The GoPro I'm getting is able to record in 5.3K resolution, which is insane. It's going to make these videos look so much better. It's going to be able to bring a whole lot more quality content to you guys. It was a bit of a nail-biting financial thing to do, but at the end of the day, I take this page very seriously in a fun way. So for me, you know, I intend on doing this for quite a long time. So yeah, thank you to you guys who've stayed with me since the beginning, and I've just, you know, sort of been there and watching the content, and for spurring me on, essentially, for those of you who support me. So that is literally what keeps me going. So thank you guys so much. Yeah, I'm just going to keep bringing the content and keep making it fun, and there's going to be a whole lot more coming. I know I keep saying it, and it's going to happen. Just time. Audi RS8 to my right. You guys must watch this and think I'm absolutely nuts, man. It's that turbo in relation to the sound. It's just like chaos, guys, getting out of here. What on earth is going on today? Guys, should you buy an Abarth 595 or 695 or 500? Whatever's within your budget realm. Should you buy one? I mean, come on. Come on, my page is about Abarth. You know my answer, it's a given. I'll tell you one thing. You can then make the decision, right? Can you have fun in the car without stressing about having fun in the car financially or things breaking? Is it a reliable car? Yes. Are the overheads low? Yes. There's a whole lot of things you got to take into consideration when obviously buying a car, especially in England. Especially. We have to pay tax on our car for emitting a certain amount of CO2 into the air, oxygen. I'm not sure if it's the same in other countries, in Europe, in Germany. I know we've got a lot of people from all over the place who follow. In Italy, I'm not sure. Maybe no. Okay guys, gear 3 pull. 3, 2, 1, foot flat. Just adding a bit of sparse, you know, some of that lack of sparse, my bro. Okay, we got another gear 3 in 3, 2, 1, lift off. 4, quick one. 5, and now we're hitting the speed limit. So, you know, good Samaritan. We're going to do much more POV drive style videos, and I'm going to take us on some sick roads as well, some nice twisties, so just stay tuned. There's always going to be an ever evolving thing going on in my brain of things I want to do because I enjoy it and it's fun. Whether there's 5 people watching, one person, or you know, 500, it's going to be put out there anyways. Please don't forget to let me know, guys, what your opinion is on the next mod to do. Do we lower the car, put some spacers on, make it sit really plumb on the road, which will also have the added benefit of more stability when it comes to things like taking corners, because the car will be sitting a bit lower and slightly wider, which will give it obviously more of a stance. That's the main reason that attracts me to the coilover system. Or do we scrap that idea and just stick on some facelift side skirts, the front lip and the rear lips of the undercarriage? What do you guys think? I want to know. Again, this is entirely dependent on the most commented thing on or opinionated thing on what to do. So yes. Alright guys, there she is, the absolute beauty weapon of a car. Personal opinion anyways. I've been told off on TikTok and a few Instagram videos that calling my car a beast is incorrect. But I also don't really care what they think, the haters, hey? Guys, lest we forget, the shoe. A different shoe today, but doing the same job. As the reason I do it, guys, is because I got the camera mount up there already, and to take that off and do the tripod is just like, man, it's, I tell you, time. I gotta take this video, edit it, compile it. But guys, please let me know your comments down below what you think I should do next for a modification on this absolute weapon of a car. They just are so gorgeous looking. Look at that. I probably can't say that. Look at that rear end. For a 1.4, that is juicy, my friends. Woo-woo. Now imagine that a little bit lower and a little bit wider. Hey, come on. I'm hoping you guys are leaning towards that. A little bit lower, a little bit wider. Or you can do the skirtings, so the bottom sides, which will make it look lower, but it just won't have that extra performance and stability that I was speaking of. But you guys can please let me know what you think. Alrighty guys, that brings us to the end of another awesome video. I say awesome because, well, I have fun. I hope you guys do too. But thank you so much to those of you who stuck around to watch the full video. I really appreciate that. And for those of you who continue to stick around, if you guys haven't already, please make sure to hit a like and a subscribe. Show your boy some love. And guys, what I'm going to do the mod that is most recommended by you guys. So make sure you chip in, make sure you see the video, and yeah, please give me your opinions. I would appreciate it very, very much. Until next time guys, see you then.